So the device in my hand is an electric toothbrush. This is MI's Xiaomi's, that is MI electric toothbrush T100. So before opening the packet, you can see here, this is the product model, and this packet contains a charging cable, one brush head, one toothbrush handle, and a user manual. Okay, let's open this one. Let's remove the sticker. Okay, now you can check what is inside. Okay, this is the brush handle. Then in the packet it also contains, so this is the brush head, my electric toothbrush head. So this is the brush handle, and also in this packet you can see there is a charger. I also get a user manual in this along with this packet. So if this video helps you, I'll show you in another video how to use this MI electric toothbrush. So check out our next video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.